Good morning everyone presented here. I am Selvapriyadharshini from the Department of Nutrition and Dietetics. Today we are going to see about the single cell protein. So first of all, what is single cell protein, which is also known as the SCP, which is commonly used for the supplementation for the protein and which is mainly made from the microorganism like the bacteria, the fungi, the virus and yeast, and mainly from the bacteria and from the especially from the spirulina. So which is protein rich supplement which is consumed by both the humans and also by the animals. For the animals they used to incorporate it in their the food feed, and for the animals they given in the form of supplement, in the form of powder or in the form of the tablet. And these protein, single cell protein, which is primarily which is known as a novel food because it's one of the innovative food. And first one, what is the history of SCP? So first the SCP was mainly introduced in the year of 1950 by the British Petroleum in the commercial basis, and first the protein was the first commercial SCP institution. They mainly introduced this SCP by using the bacteria called the Methylophilus and the Methylotrophus, and it is yearly known as the microbial protein. After that only the name was renamed as the microbial protein was renamed as SCP, which is a single cell protein. And these are the microorganisms is mainly used for the production of the SCP from the fungi, which is the Aspergillus species is using, and in the yeast they are using the Saccharomyces and in Candida, and in the bacteria is the Pseudomonas and Lactobacillus are used for the production of SCP. And here I want to mention one thing, the bacteria which have high amount of protein compared to all other the fungi and yeast, because it's contained the 45% to 55% of protein, and the least amount of protein is present in the fungi because it's only have 25 to 35% of protein, and the yeast which have the moderate amount of protein which is 35 to 45. And next one is the production of SCP. So first one is the selection of suitable strain, because it's important for producing SCP because it's a primary ingredients to choose the correct microorganism without any spoilage. It should be in good in quality, first quality, because based on that only the end product the quality is determined. And second one is the fermentation. For the fermentation process, the fermenter is used for the fermentation, so it's under the condition of sterilized condition. It should be have correct amount of pH, correct amount of temperature, everything it should be in perfect based upon the type of bacteria or the microorganism we are going to use for the production of SCP. And next one is the harvesting. So harvesting period, after all the colonies of the microorganism grow fully developed, they cultivated the microorganism, which means the SCP, by using the decanation process. So after that the post harvesting period, after all the colonies are fully grown, they harvest, and by using in this step they are using the centrifugation process, washing process and also drying process, because they used to during the centrifugation process they separate the solid matters and also the liquid matters separately, and after during the washing process they remove all the dirt and unwanted substances from that SCP, and during the drying process they completely dry that protein. So here in post harvesting step they remove the outer coat of cell wall in that protein, because cell wall doesn't contain protein, so which means doesn't give the pure kind of protein to that SCP. So during the final processing, during the post harvesting period, from that single cell protein they remove that cell wall from that SCP. So the final step is here only we already we saw about the pure protein, right? So here also they tell about the pure protein. So in the pure protein they remove the cell wall by using the process of the crushing, grinding, and also during by using the thermal shock. So the single cell protein is used in many different sector. Mainly it's given for in a supplement supplement food for the people who need the protein in good amount. They are also used in the cosmetic industry, and they are also using for the therapeutic medicine. If the it's not suitable for everyone health, because some people doesn't need that much amount of protein in their body because of their medical condition, because the protein which is digested which is metabolism into nitrogen. So in the nitrogen, which is not good for some people during the which they having the kidney related problem. So if they have high amount of protein in their diet, means is it's make trouble in the filtration process of kidney. So that's it. We can see in next class.